Good morning, thanks for joining us this Thursday the 11th of August. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Yesterday, our local market ended its three-day winning streak, declining 0.5%, with nearly all sectors posting losses, except for the utilities and financial sector. The biggest laggard on the market was the tech sector, which follows the 1.2% tumble seen over in Wall Street for its Nasdaq index on Tuesday. The biggest gainer yesterday was Imugene, IMU, which rose 9.3% after the company provided an update on its clinical trial, which is currently in its first phase, recruiting patients with triple-negative breast cancer. Meanwhile, the worst performer was St. Barbara, SBM, which issued its financial year 2023 guidance, entailing higher gold production, however at higher costs compared to financial year 2022. The gold miner will postpone its full-year results presentation to the 31st of August. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday included the Beta Shares Australian Strong Bear Hedge Fund, BBOZ, Mineral Resources and BHP. In the US, all three benchmarks rallied after a key inflation reading showed a better-than-expected slowdown for rising prices. The headline CPI for July lifted 8.5% year over year, whereas economists were expecting increases of 8.7%, and it was flat compared to June. So now the Fed will take this report into consideration along with other key economic data ahead of its September meeting, where it's expected to lift interest rates again. And major tech stocks outperformed the market, with Netflix up 6% and Meta up 5.8%. As for what to watch today locally, well, off the back of the positive session we saw in the US, our market is expected to follow and open 1% higher if you go by the SPY futures. Reporting wise, some companies announcing their earnings today include AMP, Mirvac Group, QBE Insurance Group, ResMed RMD, Arena REIT ARF and Telstra TLS. In terms of forecast expectations, Citi is expecting ResMed to deliver US $827 million NPAT, while consensus expects Telstra to deliver $2.085 billion net profit after tax. And Mirvac Group, Citi is expecting the property developer to deliver NPAT of $615 million, while consensus is less modest at $576.4 million. Moving to commodities, oil prices were trading higher at about US $91 a barrel, following renewed gasoline demand and a cooler than expected inflation reading that drove investors into riskier assets. The gold price was also up, given the tame inflation report may mean the Fed may not opt for aggressive rate hikes, and the spot iron ore price trades at US $111 a tonne. Rio Tinto and SSR Mining are set to go ex-dividend today. And lastly, online foreign exchange company OFX Group will be holding its AGM today. Now let's end with some trading ideas for your consideration. After releasing its FY22 results yesterday, which Sophia covered in a separate video, Citi have decided to maintain its sell rating on Commonwealth Bank, CBA, with a price target of $90.75. Citi believe CBA's results were in line with expectations and expect the focus to remain on the core earnings outlook, where CBA has provided very little detail, instead referencing that medium-term outlook on NIM, net interest margin, from Feb is unchanged. What did other brokers think? Well, Macquarie also have an underperform rating with a less modest price target of $78. And Trading Central has a bearish signal on Metcash, MTS, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of $4.13 to the range of $3 to $3.20 in the next 65 days, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for today. I'm Paulina Peters with Bell Direct. Have a lovely day and happy trading.